Hi, I'm JP and this is the third video of The Power of Never Giving Up. And, this is just a message to go out to anyone fighting with depression or suffering it. I suffered from it for many years, and I just want to say that sport and getting out there in the great outdoors, doing activities, is the best thing you can do for yourself. And so please join in doing that. And just last year, nearly about 1 million people estimated took their own lives, took that fatal decision globally. I'm asking you, please don't, and just keep going and get through whatever you're going through. I wish you all the best for this year, and good luck on your journey. You can see me on jasonperkins.co.uk, and thanks for watching, and cheers, all the best, bye.